the discussion on in this today's seminar, the discussion on the caste question on Ambedkar, the Marxist perspective or Marxist approach towards the Indian caste system and Ambedkar. This is the topic for the today's seminar. This will be continued. This is not just one day business. This task is not simple. Already Comrade GS also have the opinion here. The fighting the caste system, the task of the fighting the system, caste system. He also say the importance of the struggle, and Comrade Shankar also repeatedly put the position on this issue. That is why this is a very, very important task. So, how to understanding the caste system? That is repeatedly criticizing the Indian Communist movement regarding this issue, especially revisionist camp and neo-revisionist. We must self-critically criticize ourselves, our own ML camp, CR camp, and our own CPML registrar. So we start the efforts, thinkings, works from only 2012 onwards only. This is a fact. Communists always, for a fact, always uphold the honesty. We are also too late.
Yes. और साथियों ये जो
now we are give more and more importance to studies the resources. Real and serious studies the Ambedkar, Pule, and medieval Renaissance movement, Buddha, and there are titanic heroes who fought against finish the caste system. Party should seriously study the this one.
और ये बहुत जरूरी
The Communist Party, the revolution is the main and central agenda. For building the Communist Party, revolution is the central agenda. Without a revolutionary agenda, there is no Communist Party. This is the basic understanding of Marxism. To apply this theory to India, caste class simultaneously unrelated. Without unrelating the caste, there is no class annihilation. Without unrelating the class, that is why our party adapt the position. With earliest adapt the position. This is inseparable task. The class and caste is fighting the class and caste is inseparable. This is our understanding. This understanding also very crucial, very complex. We should develop our application to future practical fighting. This is my opinion.
किसी भी क्रांतिकारी
There are basically 2-3 approaches regarding any issues, especially caste and class also. The ruling class approaches. The ruling class approach towards the Indian caste system and their solutions. And second is that is the middle class, petty bourgeois and middle class approach towards the caste system and solution. Third one is the working class approach towards the caste system and solution. This is the mechanism. So our party should handle this issue without going to middle class or petty bourgeois or ruling class approach. The working class approach is the scientific approach towards the caste system, even gender, linguistic, nationality, in any issues of the existing world system. The number of schools led by the imperialism, NGOs, spreading the theories, ideologies among the suppressed communities, especially Dalits. in everywhere, generally, the Gandhi, M.K. Mohanchand Karamchand Gandhi's contribution towards caste annihilation and Ambedkar contribution are equal. Recently, now the RS also going to propaganda. Ambedkar and Savarkar also equal. They are together. Like actually the vulgarization. I want to quote the only one thing regarding the Gandhism. What Gandhi have the position regarding the caste and Varna? Gandhi 100% uphold the Varna system. Fully support the Varna system. This is the first thing. So second, Gandhi is saying actually, Gandhi want actually rural India. Gandhi oppose actually modernization, industrialization and industrial worker. So in this way, Gandhi fully support the caste system and caste based occupations in the rural, especially agriculture. This is approach. In opposite side actually, the Ambedkar actually totally oppose the Varna system, caste system, and he repeatedly fight for the industrialization, urbanization, land nationalization, and he repeatedly put strong demand before the British colonialists, and even later also he want actually abolish the all caste based occupation. Occupation is okay.
Yes, yes, okay.
So actually now we are continue this discussion. This seminar is conducted by our party in this time actually. We must serious. We will consider serious studies and serious struggles regarding. Now the actual Neo-Brahmanism also spreading among the Dalits actually. Neo-Brahmanism. Actually Neo-Brahmanism means what is the Swami Vivekananda approach towards caste question? What is the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa?
वो बोलिए बाहर जाकर फोन से बात करने के लिए
Actually, now actually reactionary classes, reactionary institutions are spreading Neo-Brahmanism among the untouchables, Dalits and Adivasis. What is Neo-Brahmanism? Brahmanism is correct. Sandhyavadana is good. Wearing the thread also good. Putting the antenna also good. Everything good. But actually you learn, you go to Sandhyavadana, you learn Sanskrit and you learn Sahasra Gayatri Mantra. You become the Brahmin. This is the now trump card within the Dalit street now, today. This is a Neo-Brahmanism. There is no Brahmins. Actually there is no Brahmin. Without physical Brahmins, Brahmanism is spreading everywhere. Without physical Brahman, that is why we are Marxists. We are not fighting any individuals or any physical. We don't want any physical Brahmins. Actually, the Brahminism, the most reactionary social order of the Indian society. We should carefully fight the Brahminism, especially Neo-Brahminism. Now the RSS and their special new institutions invested more and more money, categorization camps for going to Neo-Brahmanism.
साथियों
We know that story is actually Hiranyakashipu, how Hiranyakashipu killed by the Ugra Narasimha. Communists know, new generation don't know how the Hiranyakashipu killed, how the Vishnu killed to the Hiranyakashipu through Prahlada. Prahlada is the son of the Hiranyakashipu. I don't going to express like actually they are applying their brain. That is Sanatanavada. That is Sanatanavada.
गवर्नमेंट का ये कहना है ये सनातन धर्म का यही नियम है, सनातनवाद का यही नियम, इस पर कोई भी गौरव करने वाली चीज नहीं है.
Now actually they are propagating new Americanism. Actually I am not going to explain it. Now they are criticize the new Americanism. They produced a lot of books, CDs and Foucault radio. So many materials. They are actually hijacking the, vulgarizing the Ambedkar, revolutionary this is a word I am using. Revolutionary, progressive, democratic people's thoughts. They are one by one actually vulgarizing. So, for example, actually they are saying Ambedkar is the great reformer of Hindu religion. No, there is their main work. In Hindu religion, there is a caste, gender discrimination, untouchability, so many problems. But Ambedkar have the medicine. Ambedkar is a doctor for repairing the Hindu mission. Ambedkar is a doctor for repairing the Hindu mission. Ambedkar is the समाज सुधारक, हिंदू धर्मोद्धारक.
Correct.
Ambedkar is a Hindu Dharmodharak. The first book by the Dattopant Tengde, the BMS leader, he is from actually Maharashtra in 1970s. Now actually hundreds of books. That is why we properly understanding the real Ambedkar, his work, his thoughts, his approach towards the political, economic, cultural, history, and Marxism. This way actually will give them more and more importance. We reject, we will find out this is a fake, nakli Ambedkarist without understanding. I am talking about our rank and file, our cadre who are working inside the people, who are working among the people. They should properly understanding. That is why we are going to more studies, more discussion, more camps in future.
Mohammed, जैसा ये
So Ambedkar, Dalit, this terminology is not from the Ambedkar. This terminology is used by the Jyotiba Phule. Ambedkar always used in his work actually Nimna work, depressed class. This one thing. And is the program of the ILP, Indian Independent Labour Party. That is the first program. His political party is Independent Labour Party, is the first program. Second, actually Scheduled Caste Federation. Third is Republican Party. He print the number of actually organs also. Now actually in every language the works are available. So at least we will give the importance to go through that.
तो ये है
Same time actually we have difference with Ambedkar. Where actually? That is, this is not a time to discuss what is the difference between the Ambedkarism and Marxism. This is not a right time. But this must, we have the party, the Marxist-Leninist party, working proletariat party, we have the proper understanding in philosophy and his method. He is using logical method, we are using actual dialectical method. This is the difference. This is my understanding. Now actually, this how to carry this task in ground, that is the challenge. We prepare now we adapt this program in our party program and we publish the articles. Our studies are continuing. How to put this program in practice inside the people? How to organize the intercaste marriages? How to fight the caste system on ground? That is the question. That is a very, very important question. So we all come seriously consider this task is very important task before the party. We will go for the practice. Thank you.
साथियों ये बहुत